So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll tell you guys today's trade recap. With that, I'll explain you guys the overall price action that I've been seeing from the past couple of days. I've been hitting like banger to banger trades. I've been on a win streak. I just had like one losing trade in the past 15 days, I guess, and I'll explain you guys all the trades which I took. So the reason why I took those trades. So if I go into like 4 hour, what do I see is from right here. Okay, so this is on 21st November. This dump came, but still, after this dump, what do? We swept all this relative equal low, sorry, these low resistance liquidity on like high time frame. From here, we started to correct, and all the bullish gaps were getting respected. Like if you can see right here, the 4 hour gap was getting respected, and this bearish 4 hour gap was getting disrespected. So overall, it was like bullish, and like there's no reason for us to like look for sales. So I've been literally longing here. So every day my boss was like clearly longs, and right here, what do you see? My target was this high. After we take out like major liquidity pool right here, so what do we do after an expansion? We usually have like a consolidation. So right here we had this consolidation. There's like bank holiday. Also, that the CME thing happened, and we didn't really had good trading day. After that, we saw this expansion. So again, once it takes out this high, will your bars change and you'll try to look for shorts? No, right? So once it takes out this high, your next target should be this high. Once it takes out this high, your target should be these highs. Once it takes out these highs, next should be these highs. So that's how it works. So this was like market maker sell model. This was like market maker buy model. So same thing. Once I come to the market, what do we do? Again, long bars till these highs right here, and pretty much I was like looking for longs, and market open. This indicator right here, this is FX to 4 something. This by 2 degrees, and it marks out like previous day high, low, and DQ. I've been using this as my premium discount. I used to mark physically, but this gives like a accurate and automated one, so it marks out. So we react to this previous day EQ. So I've been saying like past 4 days, it market usually goes higher, comes to this AQ, pushes higher. Same thing happened here on like 15-minute time frame. We come into the ACQ, we trade into this 1 hour intermediate high. I've been all and again I've been waiting for intermediate low or high to be swept. Right here we swept out like 1 hour intermediate low. So always once price trades into a fair value gap, wait for that fair value gap low to be swept again, then try to look for longs. That like increases win rate. I don't know how, but it does. So from there, what do we see? Market opens right here. What did we do? I was waiting, literally waiting for either from here react bearish and later look for long still here after the news. So we had 8:30 news. I was like, okay, let the news do work, but right here nothing happened. We really invest these two gaps right here. For me, like there's no reason for it to go any lower than this low right here. This EQ was like protected. So what did I do after this inversion right here? Switch on to like lower time frame. What do I see is we trade into this 5 minute lower gap. Okay, there's like there's one high right there, sorry, one fair value gap right here, another right here. We traded that very extreme discounted one. 15 minute nothing, we just expanded. So I was like, okay, 5 minute traded here. We react into this 15 minute CISD or order block, and yeah, from there, what do I see? 3 minute is the highest time frame inversion. If you go into like 1 minute, this is some mistake that people usually do. They take trade right here once this inverts right here. So always wait for a higher time frame fair value gap. Okay, from this high to this low, which one is where do you get like a single fair value gap? Is it right here? We have one more fair value gap which has to get inverted. So if you enter right here, see this gap got inverted right here, it'll be like too late, right? So 3 minute fair value gap, we have like a singular fair value gap. 4 minute we didn't have. I can check in my trade weight account. So yeah, after this 3 minute inversion, waited. Okay, and once it closed above, I just like pinpoint entry, and yeah, from here my break even was sorry, 1 second, my break in was this high right here, and my TP was like 1 to 1, this like somewhere here. This gave me like a good enough trade, and right here I could like squeeze my stops to this low. This fair value gap was enough to protect itself. So right here, but yeah, I don't want to like mess with my stop loss, so I just kept it like up. good enough protected stop loss. And yeah, this was the trade which netted me around $500. And overall, again, what do I look for now? From this side, this low, I'll wait for price to trade into this EQ right here. Do you have anything? 1 hour. There's nothing. 8 minutes, this candle closes, so we'll create like a unfilled gap. From there, always remember time plays a very crucial role. Is it playing? Okay, fine. Time plays like a very crucial role on how you're trading. So right here, 8 minutes, we are like wicking down after we take out this high right here. So always wait for a fair value gap to be created. Like don't take blindly longs when you have like an unfilled gap right here below you. In 8 minutes, it's gonna create. So from there, you can like take longs again, and you can like wait for this 15-minute low somewhere here to take longs. Same thing. Don't switch your bias unless it really shows that it wants to like go any lower. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Do share, do subscribe. Till then, we'll meet again. Bye bye.